cylinder thing right there, back there? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. I mean, I didn't know that, but yeah, that makes sense.
So what's the pump for?
Water.
Water. Okay. For
so the tender, you put water in the tender.
Okay.
Put water into the boiler. The locomotive has an axle-driven pump, which sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. They can be rather temperamental. It also has an injector. It's usually fairly reliable, but they can be temperamental as well. I wouldn't.
So these gauges are, yeah.
Pressure gauge there.
So those gauges are
that is a temperature gauge.
True gauges, huh?
Which is unusual. And there's another one up there.
Oh, yeah. It's got a little whistle too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. It's like a step top, a 3-chime.
That looks like a super scale screecher.
Yeah, it's a 3-chime. That's crazy.
And should be.
That's cute.
Should have some kind of prop for holding this thing open, I would think. But maybe no, you may just let these move.
There you go.
Yeah, you could do everything you need to do with.
Yeah, because you're sitting.
Those two slid open.
You're sitting on this, right?
Pardon?
Where are you sitting at?
You'd be sitting on the tender.
On the tender, okay.
Yeah, there's probably a seat.
There should be a seat frame that.
Whenever you're ready.
Easy, give him a second.
Yep.
It's a small 040 steam engine. Manufacturer unknown, although several fellows think it's a Barney Vale creation.
How do you spell Bell?
B-A-H-L-E.
Okay, sorry.
We attempted to do a hydro on it. The boiler itself appears to be primarily sound. We're unable to complete a hydro because the throttle valve was leaking rather badly. And there's a small seep around the firebox door to the exterior. Tubes are tight, crown sheet's tight, mud ring is tight. Locomotive has a Mosley turbo generator on it, super scale 3-chime whistle, has 2 super scale check valves which we are out at the moment, or not check valves, super scale safety valves, Walschaerts gear, steam brakes on the locomotive, has an axle pump, vacuum brakes for train brakes. It is oil fired, burner style unknown. What else? Has temperature gauge, pressure gauge, and also a pressure gauge for the atomizer pressure for the oil blower burner. Nice little locomotive, needs some work to fix things up. Nice little tender with it. The tender leaf springs need to be rebuilt. The tender has a hand pump. Vacuum brakes need a little bit of work on them as well. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much.